Are you tired of waking up every single day working for somebody else? Are you tired of going to work and doing something that you're not passionate about? Do you feel like there's a purpose that is on your life that you're not walking in? If you answered yes to any of these questions, stay tuned. I'm about to show you 10 easy steps on how to become an entrepreneur.
Sometimes all I think about is you, late nights.
The first step to become an entrepreneur is to determine if or why you want to become an entrepreneur. Being an entrepreneur versus just working for somebody else has its pros and cons, and they're very different. One big thing you can ask yourself to help you discover if you really want to do this: are you the type of person who likes to go to work, leave work at work, go home, have home at home, and then when you go to work, that's when you resume your duties? If you answered yes to that, entrepreneurship might not be for you.
Excuse me?
Being an entrepreneur is a 24/7 job. Regardless of what you do, you are always basically on the clock, even though you're not clocking in.
You're clocking.
Discovering why you want to be an entrepreneur, maybe it's because you answered yes to one of these questions that I asked at the beginning, or maybe it's because you answered yes to all three of these questions, or maybe you're frustrated with your situation right now. Regardless, determine if and why you want to become an entrepreneur. Second step to becoming an entrepreneur: determine a problem that you want to solve. All of the most successful businesses are in the business of problem solving. We're in the business of helping people. Take my business, for example. I am in the health and wellness business. My business can solve several problems, whether it's somebody with a health problem, whether it's somebody who wants to increase their quality of life, or maybe it's somebody who just doesn't know the importance of living a healthy lifestyle. These are problems that I can solve. So you need to find a problem that you can solve in order to have a business that holds longevity. The third step to becoming an entrepreneur is to discover your niche. Once you've answered the question of what problem do I want to solve, now determine your target market. For me, like I said, my target market is people who are either unhealthy, or people who want to continue their health journey, or people who just need help. You need to discover who are you solving the problem for. Fourth step to becoming an entrepreneur: write down short-term and long-term goals. Short-term goals can be something as soon as tomorrow, next week, next month, or maybe the next 3 months. Long-term goals are a little more drawn out. Those are more so like 6 months, 9 months, next year, 5 years, or 10 years. Regardless of the length of time, make sure your goals are SMART. SMART goals are specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bound. If your goals do not meet all 5 of these standards, you might need to rethink your goals. The fifth step to becoming an entrepreneur is to create a plan of action for these SMART goals. A plan of action is basically, how am I going to get these goals done? Let's say you wrote down 3 short-term goals and 3 long-term goals. Well, that means you need to have 6 plans of action. They don't have to be all drawn out, and you don't have to have everything figured out. This is just a basis for you to start. The sixth step to becoming an entrepreneur is to draft a business plan. Now, I will say, a lot of people make business plans sound like this long book where you have to have everything figured out. That is not true. A business plan is personalized to you and your business. My suggestion for your business plan is to write where you're starting and where you want to go to.
Write that down, write that down!
We can't really figure out exactly how to get there if we don't know where we're going. So always have your end goal written down. Then I would also write down your mission and your vision. A mission is basically what you want to accomplish. My mission for my health and wellness business is to help people unlock the happiest and healthiest versions of themselves. My vision is to help people see their truest selves and give health and wellness knowledge to everyone I come across. Your mission and vision are going to be very different, and maybe your business plan won't include your mission and vision. Again, those are just my suggestions. The 7th step to becoming an entrepreneur is to ensure you have a means of income until your business can help you live comfortably solely. Now, what does that mean? Unfortunately, that may mean that you have to keep waking up and doing what you don't want to do. But my dad always tells me, you have to do things that you don't want to do to be able to do what you want to do. What that means is I can't just sit and quit all of my jobs and quit what's bringing me income right now based solely off of this idea that I have. Because that's what it is right now. It's an idea. And that's totally fine. As long as you are working towards a bigger goal, that means you are walking into your purpose and you have passion into your life. So don't quit that job just yet. Step to becoming an entrepreneur is to research businesses that are similar to the one you plan on starting. The reason why this is important, but the smartest people know when to ask questions. Whatever business you want to do, I strongly suggest look into businesses that are similar to the one that you want to start, that are already established, and mimic what they're doing. Now that doesn't mean copy. Mimic just means take the best parts of what they're doing, tweak it a little bit, make it personalized to you, and it'll take you far.
Okay.
The 9th step to becoming an entrepreneur is to identify your startup tools / costs. Now, not every business is going to cost $1 million to start, and that's a beautiful thing. But on the other hand, it's not just going to take a couple dollars to start. With that being said, you have to identify how much it's going to take to start up my business and what exactly I need to start my business. And step number 10 to becoming an entrepreneur is to start. Stop waiting for the perfect time. Stop waiting for a sign. Maybe this video is your sign.
Clock it.
Stop waiting for everything to align for you to start. Stop saying I'll do it tomorrow. Do it today. Once you start and do these 10 steps that I just listed, I promise you, your situation will turn around.